Felicia here, and this is our beginner's tutorial using the xTool M1 machine and its free Creative Space software. We're going to engrave a gift tag on a piece of wood. In the software, I clicked on the text tool in the left menu. This popped up a text menu where I put in the text Felicia and selected the typeface or font Hey Butterfly. You can use any font loaded on your system, and I chose a script font intentionally to be able to show you the letter overlap or cut lines. I welded the letters together to show how welding is done in case you want to cut something later. Then I changed the processing type to engrave, which filled in my text. I clicked refresh to get a view of the material I loaded into the machine. The built-in camera will show you exactly where your material is. Now it's time to resize that text to fit on the gift tag. I clicked on the bottom corner box to resize it and then moved it into place. And I rotated it by clicking on the upper circle and used the arrow keys on my keyboard to get it just where I want it. Once the positioning is good, it's smart to click on framing to make sure your image is going to fit perfectly on the material. A light will outline the area to be engraved. Once framing is complete, I updated the material to select the xTool 3mm pine plywood and left all the other settings defaulted for that material. As a note, you can adjust the power, the speed, and the number of passes by using the sliders or typing in the numbers you want to use. From there, I clicked Process in the upper right corner and then Start. The light on the front of the machine turns blue, and once you press that, the magic starts. Done! Simple and easy, right? I can't wait to dig in more and see what this machine can do. My next project is going to engrave on stainless steel. Subscribe, comment, like, and share. We will have lots more videos on this machine and others that you won't want to miss.